Do you think AMC will be the only stock will pump even if the market crash? Because yesterday we have a good reversal for AMC and we have a green and all the stocks is red except for AMC. We have to discuss that and we have to discuss GameStop as well. And of course, we have to discuss the fundamental good news for AMC. Of course, as you can see here, the box office has increased 6 times and admission have gone up almost 5 times. And everybody said before, like cinema and box office is dead, but we see like the data prove the opposite, which means AMC will have a better future regarding the price action, regarding the fundamental and the earning ahead. And of course, the for the short interest is getting higher. Before last week it was 16, now it's nearing the 18%. And you might be asking why is that good? Of course, it's good because it would be hard for the short seller to borrow shares and short AMC. And as everybody says, the short will have infinite short shares for AMC, but this will make it difficult for them to short. Of course, there's a lot of manipulation going on. The short have a lot of holes to get in and get out and make things possible and hard for the traders and the bulls. But even though this is a good sign that we have the short interest increase for AMC. So for today's video, if we have to discuss AMC and GameStop. Today we have a little green. However, yesterday we have a good dip as we discussed, almost 22%. So this is normal. We have a huge jump right now, 22% for GameStop. Let me just check how much we did here. We did 20% for GameStop. So we discuss AMC and GameStop for today. Before we're gonna go further, guys, subscribe, hit the like button. Because we always go live every day, 30 minutes before the market open on our YouTube and 2 hours and 30 minutes on our Discord and Patreon, where we hunted today for LUMN. This stock was really good because we spotted in the pre-market today. As you can see here, this is from the live streaming that we did early in our Discord. We discussed LUMN to buy the dip around the $3.60, and we reverse after the market open. And of course, we took profit on LUMN twice. Of course, we have the Palantir trade, swing trade from yesterday. And for the other one, of course, for LUMN, we close it. We suggest to take profit around the $5 because this is the resistance. That's why the price reverse. We did another swing trade, guys, for Palantir, where we took profit around the market open around the 27.48, and we suggest for exit because this is the sell-off zone. And of course, Palantir have a huge earnings. That's why the price pumped for Palantir and pulled back exactly around our profit taken. So we do swing trade, we do day trade, guys. So the link in comment section below if you want to join us, and of course have the possibility to trade with us and have the entry and exit for many stocks. So let's dive deeper and discuss for today AMC and GameStop, because everybody watching AMC because it's getting near the level of the resistance that we discussed from last video, the $5.70. You see what's happening here? We have this ascending channel as we discussed yesterday. This is the level that we have to break at least for this week, not the next week or after 2 weeks, because the more we go deeper or further in the future will be hard to predict because we have a lot of factors. Fundamental news will affect the price. However, in the meantime, we have to clear the $5.70 and of course have a 4-hour green candle close over this level of orange line to confirm that AMC will squeeze up. Let us do a percentage wise, like how much we can do if we broke from this orange line. We have 3 levels, of course. The first level, we could do another 20%. The second level, we could do 50, and the other, we might do over 100% if we really squeeze for AMC over the $10 around the 12. But in the time being, the good thing is we got the buyers just came over the $4. The same for GameStop, which is over the 16.90. There's another thing we have to discuss before we discuss the profit taken for GameStop, guys. This what's happened yesterday. Many brokers got like glitches. Like for Robinhood, you can't buy and sell. For Schwab, buy and sell you can't. E-Trade, Fidelity, Webull, everything like TDM, the other brokers. Every broker got a glitch, or everybody said is not a glitch, but it's kind of conspiracy. A lot of people have a conspiracy that all the brokers get together to stop buying and selling, because from the market yesterday it was selling off. This is to prevent more sell off for the market. So this is not a glitch, guys. That's why I'm suggesting, or at least have another option for you guys, for not like miss the opportunity to buy the dip the next time. That's why we have opportunity to buy and sell mini stocks and Webull, not on Webull but on Mumu, because on Mumu we have the opportunity to buy and sell, and we don't have the problem with buying and sell at Mumu. So guys, on Mumu you can actually win 20 free stocks with my link in comment section below. Plus you have the 8.1 APY in order to get the trade. At the same time you get the privilege and the opportunity to get this generous offer from Momo. At the same time, at Momo we don't have the glitch that happened with the other stocks, which is not buying and selling, because we traded live, and this glitch didn't happen to us when we trading and Momo. And this is really good in order to not miss the opportunity the next time, because every time the market go up and down, and there's another opportunity. If the market, we might have another dip. So if something happened to you guys, let me give you this example. If you bought a car, or if you bought the shoes and the shoes kind of broke, you're gonna buy the same shoes. Of course you're not gonna buy it, you're gonna buy another one. It's like the same. If I bought a new car and the car like broke from the first day I bought it, I'm not gonna buy the same car anymore. The same with the broker. If something happened like this once, I'm not trusting those broker again. So that's why you should have an options other than the broker that you already have, because those are really famous brokers. And this glitch is kind of make a lot of people lose the most valuable opportunity to buy AMC for the dip. Really, I got many questions from you guys, like getting frustrated. A lot of people have money to average down, or at least buy the dip around the 4, and they miss it. We already talked about this dip, where you said this is a really good dip for reversal. Again, this is not a financial advice, guys. You always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. However, the glitch happened. They said glitch, but everybody knows it's not a glitch. You have to think wisely and have more options. The option is here. As we said, you can use Momo, is free to use. At the same time, you can actually get the opportunity to have the promotion, which is a limited time offer with my link in comment section below, where you get 20 free stocks. So guys, by tomorrow we're gonna go live and of course discuss all the market, discuss AMC, GameStop, and of course we're gonna discuss where we have the breakout, if it happened, of course, because AMC is getting near the breakout around the $5.70. Before I forget, of course, before I forget, we have to discuss GameStop, because we said the 22 is now the current resistance that we have to break. We have the 25.60, 29.80, and the ultimate profit taken is around the 44. If we calculate, we have 111%. It's the same gain as AMC if we squeeze. As we said, guys, subscribe, like the video, and we're gonna go live tomorrow 30 minutes before the market open, 2 hours and 30 minutes before the market open, and our Discord for precise entry and exit for mini stock. Because if you miss the pre-market preparation, you're gonna be stressed. You don't know when you enter, where you exit. That's why we did the live streaming for our hunters to know when to enter, when to exit, and be ready, guys. If you're ready, you're gonna be more prepared for anything will happen. Of course, we can predict the future 100%, but if you're prepared, if you have spare wheel and you go on the road and the wheel, one of the wheel of your car broke or gets in flat, you can actually change it and move on. You go on your road and go on your journey. But if you're not prepared and you don't have spare wheel, of course you're gonna be unstuck in this, in the middle of the road, and you like you waiting for someone to help you. So here we have to be prepared in the market, and of course after that we could improvise. This is the name of the game. And of course, there's a lot of things going on, but we always have to prepare. The preparation is in the pre-market. So join us by tomorrow, guys. The link in the comment section below for our Discord and Patreon. Thank you for watching and see you by tomorrow.